My FedEx man just came with my delivery. Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome, and for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journey's family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I'm doing another Misfits haul. I got my box. Came late this week. I have it scheduled for Saturday, but it came today on Monday instead. And I think it is because I don't think they have enough vegetables, because you know the grocery stores are out of stock of everything and the vegetables are low. And when I went out there to make my selection, I couldn't choose what I wanted in my box this week. So I'm assuming that's the reason why, because the first two I got off. The first one, they gave you what you want. The second one I could have chose, but I forgot to go out there, so I don't know if it was like that then. And then this is my third box, so I wasn't able to do it. And I went out there. You can do it from Thursday at 4 o'clock until Sunday the prior week. And I went out there on Friday and I wasn't able to do it. I was able to select things if I wanted to purchase something extra for the box, but not for to select what actually goes in the box. So again, I have the $15 box and I put some gloves on. I sprayed the box when I got it with Lysol and let it just sit, but this is my box for the week. So I am going to pull off my personal information and then we're going to do an unboxing. So if you'd like to see what I got in my third Misfit box, then stick around and stay tuned. Alright, let's open it up. And they had it one thing in the inside too, so I'm going to rip that off once I figure out where it is. Got your paperwork this time for what's for April, and then caramelized onion puff pastry tart is what is in there. I might try that. That sounds awesome. Now let's open this up. Got some more kale again. Got 2 bags. Oh, got different stuff this time. So this is lettuce. I forgot what lettuce you call this. I think this lettuce. I wish they put in here what on a piece of paper what they actually put in here. I don't know what kind of lettuce this is, but this is some type of lettuce. Some that I don't eat. It's probably been mixed in something, but I don't buy that. Oh, I wanted a jalapeno because I want to make something. It was reading my mind. So I got 1 big jalapeno. I may have more than one. Oh, I got different stuff this time. I got kale, which is always wonderful to get. I got some zucchini. I got a cucumber. These are the English cucumbers. I have 2 zucchinis and a big old jalapeno. They gave me, I think these are golden delicious apples. And that one's bruised a little bit, but that's okay. And golden delicious aren't my favorite, but I eat them. They apples, I eat them. There's 3 of them. So far, 2 oranges. A mango. Love mangoes. Good stuff this time. Another jalapeno. So I got 2 big old jalapenos. Jalapenos, however you say it. I got a head of cauliflower. This is the one I buy from Publix, the same brand. So I got a head of cauliflower. Some more celery. So I've been getting celery and kale every single week, and I've been getting these turnips every single week as well. So these are hard. These very hard. So 2 turnips and then 2 baked potatoes, which that's good because I don't have any large potatoes left and I don't want to go to the grocery store. So this is good for me. So that's all I got in my box this week. So 2 potatoes, 2 radishes, turnips, 2 oranges, 3 apples, 2 oranges, 1 mango, 2 jalapenos, 2 zucchini, 1 cucumber, 1 cauliflower, some organic celery. I don't know this brand. I haven't seen B Farms. I haven't tried that one yet. These come out of, I think it ships out of Pennsylvania or Charlotte. One of them. I saw Charlotte on something and then I saw Pennsylvania on something else. So, not too sure. And then some lettuce and some kale. So, let me get my picture for my post. Get that out of the way. And get my picture. And yeah. Okay, that is it, guys, of everything I got in my Misfits box. I'll link on the screen as well as down below so that you can get a link to the site if you want to order it. Like I said, this is the small box that is $21, I think it is, but I have a discount code for you to get 25% off. If you use the code, you get 25% off, as well as I get 25% off my next purchase. So check it out. Just check the link out. Go to the website and check it out. You can also buy other items, and I'll leave that right here. Scroll through because I went on the site and did a screenshot when I was going to order and select what I wanted. I couldn't, but I wanted to show you guys what other things they offered on the site to purchase as well, so you can see that. So I'll link that on here as well, of things you can purchase off the website. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. Oh, I'm gonna take these vegetables. People have been spraying their food with Lysol like idiots. I'm gonna take mine and just put them in a sink in a little bit of vinegar and water and let them soak, and they'll be fine like that. And then I cut up my kale and wash it and do it the same way, and my lettuce, and then I put it in a storage container so it'll be fine. I think the stuff that's wrapped in plastic is okay. I just wiped that off with the water that I soaked the vegetables in. I put it on my dishcloth and wipe off the stuff that's in plastic, and everything should be fine. I'm not spraying my food with no Lysol. But it gives you, it also tells you the items that they have for in your April box. And this month I get 3 boxes, but I'm only going to take 2. I might take 3, but probably just take 2 of them. But baby bok choy, collard greens, kale, lettuce, radicchio, fruits, apples, grapefruit, lemons, mangoes, and oranges, root vegetables, beets, carrots, celery root, daikon radishes, onions, potatoes, rutabaga, sweet potato, watermelon, radishes, and turnips. And other stuff is Anaheim peppers, bell peppers, broccoli, cabbage, cucumbers, eggplant. I wish I got some eggplant. Grape tomatoes, heirloom tomatoes, leeks, mixed winter squash, poblano peppers. So these might be poblano peppers instead of jalapenos, because they kind of look the same. I thought these was huge jalapeno peppers, but it may not be because that's not on here. Romanesco cauliflower, shishito peppers, don't know what that is, snow peas, and zucchini. So they have good items, different than what they had last time. And then of course on the back of this little thing it tells you how to store it. And then here it gives you a caramelized onion puff pastry recipe, and every week you get a recipe card that tells you how to make something, and the directions and stuff is on the back. So that is it. Once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you all are staying in the house and staying safe. And yeah, thank you for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye. Okay, let's turn it off.